Ka District and Sessions Court West Jaiñtia Hills ko pada sedang naduk ka arpau nyau trik unai nyau arjar khatle hagani ka kenti de yo ka yung krehkaam wa pura yong kahi ka wa emakli terchi we the one wa ya ka negasngi da Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court u Sanjeev Banerjee Hazen ran lang ki Judge ka Meghalaya High Court wa kuntup yau Justice HS Thank You u Justice W Ding Do nei teu Additional Judge u Justice B Bhattacharjee u Registrar General ka Meghalaya High Court u ikhar umnuj wa kiwi. Hagani gesngi wai paj ba ada emlang chirup u sembut menteri rang ba ka sarkar jala u snga bahalang dhar u MLA ka thain u wailat miki shela u Deputy Commissioner ka West Jaiñtia District u bi Asoliya u Superintendent of Police u si serti kam ki wacha khot snga bahadai lang wa kiwi. Yagani ka yung bichar da chana hakamang poisa wali pausan klur prapau khunde lak prapau 8,000 tengka wei em ka somala wei he ka to khunde hajaran rospa le pawi square feet wei em ka le nyaut li ki kamra chong bichar nam mo ki courtroom. Chief Justice Sanjeev Banerjee hawa kalam hagani ka singi ongo kani ka yung yen ka nei banta i ho upaj ba wei open yo le i bichar wa hong kamte yo jarjer ka yung krehkaam wa pura Hadien Chief House snem man isarong wa khro. Yulutiu le wa yaki District Council Court hakajala dawnang ye chucho open bha penmiat ki heyato ichna kamjo ne benta open yo ichakri i bichar wa hok cha upaj ba hejo ipor ikhubleu ya ka sarkar jala hajrong kilat yaram waju open yo ko nakipor chakipor usembut menteri rangba hawa kalam yulutiu wadai wayi wa yagni ka yung krehkaam wa pura irukom bichar le uman ka walai bain we rab ha chucho penrap haro o wagani ka yung bichar wakam gani to ko wakhande hapo ka jala wei hanla ka jala Meghalaya to ko wakhian hapo India le ongu wani liang Chief Justice ju yaro u ya ka sarkar hajrong inye ka open biang heyato irukom chana nei benda ka yung bichar.
When I don't remember when I ended an inauguration speech and waltzed into another. We have done Wyrta last weekend, July midweek, and next weekend is going to be Bagmara. If we begin from the southwest of the state, we have going in a circular order new district court complexes at Ampati, at Mendipathar in Wyrta. We have at Mairan, which has of course not been elevated to the district court status but will be very soon. Down below we have at Mokorwat, Williamnagar and Thura were already existing. Bagmara will be done next week. Clariot, we opened last year. Jawai is old, and Riboy was the first of the big court complexes that was opened a few years before. These buildings, each one of them, as they stand in majesty in these wonderful surroundings, just look to my right, and I see the rolling hills and green all the way that the eye can see. And I remember the first day that I went up to the first floor at that new court building, subdivisional court building in Amlarem, I realized that no court in the country would be in better settings. But as both the Deputy Chief Minister and Brother Thank You, who spoke before me, let you know, it's just not the brick and mortar or the steel and concrete that make up an institution. It's the people who manage, and it's the people who live up to the purpose of the institution. At the outset, I recognize the PWD engineer who's faced a lot of wrath from me. I recognize some of the judicial officers who have chided and maybe pushed a bit too far. The law officers who are always responding to our small demands and ensuring that the work that had stopped during the COVID picked up in right earnest, and in less than 2 years' time, we have this wonderful building ready for use.
We have taken the initiative to develop all the code in the state to hybrid and digitization of all the case record in a phased manner, and also providing infrastructures and fully furnished residential quarter to the judicial officer in all the districts, and also subdivisions under the aforesaid scheme. Till date, the state government have received rupees around 145 crores under the CSS for judicial infrastructure. And the state government further have such release of an additional amount for rupees 66.95 crores as of now under the CSS, and rupees 7.21 crores under the state scheme for ongoing projects of judicial infrastructure. Yes, we are very happy today with the coming of this new building. We are very proud as the fellow Jaiñtia. This is one of the buildings we have been waiting for a long time. But today, the dream comes true. Some of the people said that during the time when the government has intention to split the judiciary from the executive. So many said no, we don't think that it will be happen. But with the teamwork with the judicial system and the government, now the dream of the people has come true. Nagaliang yung ako from chida direkte yowi, neman gawin ni kasi ko sa produi. Di ba dayo yung mga ni kasi ko nekan mo diyo uway ni court complex. Kuri ang nungoro kami koni West Jaiñtia. What sang po ile lambang jigam yung kani buildings. Lambang yung process of government release social mentua usperi judicial executive. Expect yung tino yoy kaji bicara kurang banyak. Kulai hok kulai baik bu poi kulai sipai ba. Mbojit selansar yung man baik, yung man gahok yung bulu man secari baik. Hari ngaju awan ni poro wana ini. Kami wikitin. Ang poi hani long punya ini yung tok ini tahu menghami kaliya. Wat man nak building bu suka dok ate. Hari negeri yang kau nak mikir bang kuat ubun ni crime sampai mesti mengawi. Ang we perlu pidara ni lekam ta we mas hawa idi ku kre no. Ta rompe la do kre ble. Man kam ka ambulance. Iga malejo ambulance man lagi sno man lagi tau. Tam jam ku ayu ado tu ambulance kari surok. Ni mana mi surok penyu ang bad news apa ku kre ku tutom ni goya. Tapi jimur kyo ini sa kumeni wa Unity diwe muli ke court muli utumei. Yo man se cara ora by chocho. Yo man unique system. Yo man spread, yo man yo amburom. Ni ba yo he paro ku dalai emi ke court chiro emi ke job office building. The man system mo yo sugu pai. U kodi lem lang itu, u DC lem lang itu, u bahal lem lang itu, u si lem lang itu. Ni kita warok kam sarkari yo jangai go. Kau preparing the system. Yung man go proper system hakili waro from corner to corner. Yung man emburam hakawan mo benta. Separate sarkar gini adli giving so judiciary wa executive. Hale ko sa kuman no legacy wa kani man ko building ko kindi hak state kyo ni. Nga wong ipigi state man ko win state ko kyan India. Hanay uchiw justice do yero ni. Ang state ko kyan tagin fra man ko biyan hadu kata. Em kara district. Em community ko building. Ito usap sa rong ni bro. Lambang kilang uchiw ni sa bro yung lambang teamwork ko judiciary. Mani mo jog iwan mo imo diule. Kamu state.